Hey folks, Shawn Plummer over at the Annuity Expert. In today's video, I'm going to answer a question we received. Can annuity death benefits replace life insurance? The answer is yes, and for a certain type of funds, it would be a great fit. Certain scenarios I'll go over in a minute, but just know that you could get life insurance we sell life insurance up to age 85. Okay. And we've got certain products that are designed for certain age brackets. Okay. So whether it's term insurance, burial insurance, single premium life insurance, long-term care insurance, life insurance, hybrid policies. There's all different types of life insurance. So know that it's not a one-dimensional thing, right? But where annuity death benefits can replace life insurance is, look, you got 401k money or you have IRA money. You got to pay taxes on that, and RMD time is coming at age 73. So if you have a few $1,000,000 or more in the bank, maybe something worthwhile to protect your beneficiaries and preserve that RMD amount that has to come out, right? So there's that. So if you're high net worth, you got RMDs. If you're terminally ill or you're sick, or you're older and you don't need the money and you want to leave it to beneficiaries, or you just can't get life insurance, you can use an annuity with an enhanced death benefit to leave down to your beneficiary. So for example, there's an annuity out there that has an enhanced death benefit that will give you a 50% bonus day one towards a death benefit, not money you can pocket while you're alive. And you start earning interest on that, on your investment plus a 50% bonus. And then at death, your beneficiaries, the caveat is your beneficiaries have to take out the death benefit for at least 5 years, which is a good thing because they want to spread out the tax liability, right? They don't want to get bumped into higher tax brackets. So I'll give you an example. So let's just say you have $1 million in a 401k. You don't need the money or you're terminally ill. And you can't get life insurance for whatever reason, or you don't want to buy life insurance because it's with qualified funds. You have $1 million in that 401k. You could roll it over into a $1 million IRA annuity with an enhanced death benefit, like the one I mentioned before. And day one, your $1 million is worth $1.5 million. Sorry about that. So 1 million equals $1.5 million in death benefit day one. And then you earn interest on top of that. And then when you die, whatever that value is, it will go down to beneficiaries and they can just take it out over a 5-year period and have this instant 50% bump in their account value. And there's no additional fees for it. That's the thing. Like there's no fees to it. So there are products out there, and it varies state by state and company by company. But yeah, to answer your question, yeah, annuity death benefits can be an alternative to life insurance, and it can replace life insurance. In fact, I'd go as far as saying it is life insurance for qualified accounts, right? So your 401ks, your IRAs, your 403bs, your thrift savings plans, your 457bs. Yeah. So I hope that answered your question. If you need a case design, just so you can compare apples to apples, you can contact us over at the Annuity Expert. No cost, no obligation for the service. We get paid by the insurance companies. And then subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll answer it in the next couple of days. See ya.